What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
We got a 2011 Jaguar XJL Supercharged. This is a beast, guys. Seriously, it is fast, luxury, but still keep up with most of them for a 2011, especially being supercharged. Anyways, got factory converter there and there. We added, there was a resonator there, we took it off, added an X pipe. There was another resonator there, two of them, we took them off and added straight pipe in their place. Then kept going, and then we did a rear muffler delete there and there, as you guys can see, to complete the look. Kept the factory tips, they still look good. They're odd shaped, so it's hard to put tips in their place. So we kept the factories. XJL Supercharged. And there's the mid resonator that was on it, the tiny one. There's the back one, another resonator, a little bit bigger. It just goes small, medium, and then the large mufflers right there. So we took all that off and replaced it with straight pipe so you guys can hear it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. Hell yeah, bro. That's crazy. That is sick. Remember, guys, this is a Jaguar. It sounds so good. Go ahead and back it up.
I gotta make the Jaguar purr.
Do you have a tune?
I gotta make it purr.
Does it have a tune or anything yet on it?
Nothing.
Nothing
Straight
yet.
stock.
Wow.
Straight stock.
This sounds so good. I love it. It sounds so good. Wow. There's the look. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Jaguar XJL Supercharged, pushing 510 horsepower, guys. That is freaking insane. Factory. If he puts the smaller pulleys and stuff, it'll start pushing about 650. So just let you guys know. Don't overlook these Jags. Jaguar. Oh, that's sick. Beautiful. Be smooth out of a Jag. Enjoy, guys.